Hi everyone and welcome back, and if you're new here, I am Prakriti, and in today's video I am going to share my favorite lip shades for festive season 2020. I'm not saying that you have to necessarily buy these lipsticks. I'm only giving you a few options that you can consider in case you're already thinking of buying lipsticks. I've got 10 beautiful shades, and also I will be sharing some lipstick hacks, tips and tricks. So without any further chatting, let's get started. I'm going to start with the Maybelline Superstay Matting Crayon, and this is in the shade 05 Live on Edge. This is a red toned brown, and I think that this will look stunning with golden eye makeup, and also this shade has a nice depth to it, making it suitable for all skin tones. So here I also want to talk about the first hack, which is using tissue paper to make your lipstick long lasting and transfer proof, and it also removes excessive lipstick. The next shade is called Your Latte from Nykaa So Creme Creamy Matte Lipsticks. I am using creamy and moisturizing lipsticks nowadays because my lips are going through severe dryness. This shade in particular will look beautiful when paired with smoky eyes. Next up, we have a magenta shade. This is the Sugar Nothing Else Matter Longwear lipstick in the shade Hidden Magenta, and the festive season is incomplete without a popping magenta shade, I feel, and this is just a stunning popping magenta again for all skin tones. It has that perfect pop of color. You can definitely wear it with a neutral eye look. You can also pair it up with a golden eye look. Next up, I have a red shade. This is the Blue Heaven Candy Matte Lip Color in shade Strawberry Love. This is a liquid lipstick and it settles into a powder matte finish. I love this red a lot because it's very vibrant, it's just that vibrant shade of red, and it is basically a fire brick red color. This color is popping, but I don't think it will wash out a particular skin tone. Next up, I have a cool toned nude shade for people who have cool undertone. So I have used this shade a lot, even though I have a neutral kind of undertone, but I've used this shade like almost 10 to 12 times now, and it's called Artisanal Coffee, and it's from the Nykaa Matte Luxe lipstick. I love the formula. I love the velvety feel of this lipstick. This shade is cool tone, so it will look good with cool tone eye looks like the one I'm wearing right now. The next shade is called Touch of Nude from Maybelline Powder Mattes. This is basically a pink color, and now let's get to the second hack, which is applying eyeshadow to get fuller lips. I take a bit of deep pink eyeshadow on a flat brush and dab it on my lip line. This hack can also be used for a lip shade that washes you out. So next we have another red, and this shade is called I'm Worth It, and it's from the L'Oreal Rouge Signature Matte Lip Ink. This is a beautiful lip tint, you guys. It leaves a deep magenta tint, so if you want a long-lasting tint, you can go for this shade. As far as the shade is considered, this is a neutral red leaning slightly to the warm side, and it can be used as a lip tint. The next shade is called Madison Red from the Maybelline The Brick City Heat collection. This is a crimson red, has slightly more orange to it. This lipstick is heavily pigmented. It has a very light and feathery texture. It's very, very light. I love most of the shades from the Bricks City Heat collection by Maybelline, but this one is just next level. Next up, I have another nudish kind of shade. It's called On the Stage, and it's from the Colorbar Velvet Matte Lipsticks. This too is a pink, but it has a depth to it, so you can wear it with bold eye looks and also neutral eye looks. The last shade is called Monte, and it's from the NYX SMLC, which is the soft matte lip cream, and this again is a red but more pink tone red, you know, and this can also work as a lip tint. Again, this is so moisturizing for your lips and it will not dry out your lips. It's just a beautiful formula. As you guys must be knowing, everyone knows the NYX soft matte lip creams. So yes, this is a red that will work on almost all skin tones because it's very neutral. And that's it for the video. I hope you will find it helpful. If you did, do not forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.